In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from a Malaysian bank account to a Pakistani bank account using Wise. It's a straightforward process that you can complete in just a few minutes. Let's dive in and walk through this together step by step so you can send money securely and efficiently. First, you'll need to head over to the Wise website. If you already have an account, simply log in using your existing credentials. If you're new to Wise, take a moment to sign up. It's quick and user-friendly. Just follow the registration prompts to get your account set up. Once you're logged in, the next step is to choose the currency you'll be sending from, which in this case is the Malaysian ringgit, or MIR. By selecting this currency, you're setting the groundwork for the transaction, and Wise will guide you through the rest of the process. Now look for the Send button on the interface and give it a click. This will prompt Wise to begin processing your transaction by opening up additional options for you to specify the recipient and other important details for the money transfer. Proceed by clicking on Add Recipient. This is where you'll input the information for the person who will be receiving the funds. Make sure to gather all the necessary details before moving on to make this step smooth and efficient. Next, select the currency in which your recipient will receive the funds. For this example, you'll choose Pakistani rupees, abbreviated as PKR. Wise will handle the currency conversion, showing you the current exchange rate and ensuring you get a fair deal. When prompted, click on Bank Details. You will be asked, who's your recipient? This part is straightforward. Select the appropriate option based on your recipient's relationship with you or their identity. After selecting your recipient, you'll need to enter their account details. This includes the full name of the account holder and their international bank account number, commonly referred to as IBAN. Double-check this information to avoid any delays or mishaps in the transaction. You also have the option to include the recipient's email address, which can be useful for transaction notifications or confirmations. While this step is optional, it adds an extra layer of communication for both you and your recipient. Before you finalize the transaction, take a moment to review all the transfer details. Verify the amount you're sending, the associated fees, and the exchange rate. Ensuring these details are correct will give you the peace of mind that you're sending the right amount and understanding the cost of the service. Once you're satisfied with the details, confirm and send your transfer. Wise will process the transaction and notify you once your money is on its way. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred money from Malaysia to a bank account in Pakistan using Wise.